Hey guys, welcome back to Ellen Beauty. My name is Leah and today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's just a little talk about ways to make this quarantine time a little bit better and work for you. So these are methods that are working for me right now that we have kind of self-isolated ourselves, myself and my boys specifically, probably now for almost 2 weeks. So we've really only gone out to go for a little walk. If it's to get some fresh air, we play outside. But here are a few methods that have really worked, and so I'd like to share them with you. The first one being just to get a little bit of a workout in each day. There's so many different kinds of methods and ways to get a good workout in. Online has endless ways. I know a lot of people are opening up programs that used to be not free that are free now. YouTube has a plethora of workout videos. I do have some 10-minute at-home workout videos that I did post. I will link those up above. Those ones are easy and none of them require equipment and they're only 10 minutes long. But for me, if I start my day with a little bit of a workout, even if my kids are joining me with it, if it's doing some kids yoga or kids dancing, anything that gets us moving at the start of the day just makes us all around just feel very better. It just makes us our mental mood, our mental health, it just boosts our energy. It gives me a little bit of energy to do things throughout the day. It's just a great way to just, work on some goals for yourself. If you want to try to lose a little bit of pounds, it's so easy to sit on the couch during these days and just watch Netflix all day long. So you want to make sure you get a little bit of movement in too. Next would be just to make sure that you get yourself ready each day. The first 3 days that we were just staying at home the whole time, it was so easy not to even wash my hair. I had no makeup on. I stayed in my PJs. When I put a little bit of effort into getting myself ready each day, it really just helps me get that extra boost to really just start my day. I do feel like I have a little bit of energy. I just kind of curled this third day hair. I have not washed my hair in 3 days and I just curled it and that just made me feel better as a person. Even if just washing my face every morning, putting a simple makeup look on, putting something that is more normal clothes on, it just makes me feel better. It makes me just feel I can conquer the day. And along those lines, you might want to do something fun for yourself too while you're getting ready. Like for me, painting your nails a different fun kind of spring color, bring a little bit of sunshine in your life. Play with makeup if you like to play with makeup. Explore bold looks, pamper yourself, work on that skincare routine that you really are diving into, open up that mask that you never use. Just use a few things to kind of make you feel a little bit more put together and just make you happy. Next would be to give yourself a simple task every single day. Don't overwhelm you with this huge long to-do list that you want to do while you're at home during this time. Be realistic and give yourself a little bit of grace. It could be I'm going to organize my pantry today. I'm going to go through that closet. I'm going to make a donate pile of clothes that I don't need anymore. I need to go through my boys' toys. It's overflowing. Clean out a drawer. Organize your silverware drawer. It can be super small, but it's just a simple task that kind of gives you something that you feel like you've accomplished something each day, and that will help you as well. The next would just be self-improvement. This would be getting into an old hobby. For me personally, I used to love to draw and paint and color, and I have all the stuff for that. So when it is super nice outside, my boys are going to go out and play. It is in West Texas, it was 91 degrees today. So we had our pool out, we had a water table. What better time for me just to kind of sit in the shade with my notepad and maybe draw a few things that are outside, kind of re-enlight that spark of an interest that I used to have. Dig into some good books, work on your cooking skills, work on trying a new recipe, maybe work out in the garden, get some fresh air, make that garden extra beautiful this year. Yeah, just start a project, challenge yourself with something new. And lastly, the next thing would just be to spend some good quality time with your children, with your significant other, with your spouse. And that also includes giving some phone calls to some old friends. Take time to not just text these people and message them, but pick up use the phone and just make a nice phone call out of it. Have that connection with people without being super close to them. And then with your family or your loved ones who are indoors with you, Get that good quality time. I know that everyone is crazy busy right now. You're homeschooling your kids that you're not used to. You're stuck inside with people that you're not used to staying inside all day long. Your plans have changed. You know, mix it up a little bit. Have a movie night one night at a weekend. Plan a themed dinner night like Taco Tuesday, or we're going to make pizzas one night, or we're going to make our dinner together. Have a date night with your spouse. You know, once those kids go to bed, watch a movie, eat some popcorn, and call that your date night. Be creative. We are spending so much time with our loved ones. It's also really nice just to be able to actually really have that quality time while we're together. So yeah, that concludes my little list of ways to make this time in quarantine work for you. It was super simple. It was just time to talk and just kind of try something different, talk about something different. We're all going through this together in some form. I hope you guys are all staying healthy, that you are making this all work for you as well. Comment down below what are some things that have been working for you. I would love to know what's working for you guys during this time and kind of get some ideas from you as well. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and share if you haven't already. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.